All right, ladies and gentlemen, I think the right introduction for him is very apt to say that he is a public servant in the true sense of the word.
Yes,
You know?
yes.
Pero ang more prominent, pare, is yung pagka-macho guwapito eh. Pare,
Parang artist, parang action star.
Pare,
Parang
yun na nga
stuntman ang dating sa akin.
Makikita mo
Oh,
talaga,
mga ganun, oh.
action man to,
Oo.
of Cavite.
Oo.
Ayun.
Please welcome the Vice Governor of Cavite, Vice Governor Recto Cantimbuhan.
Ayun.
Yeah.
Yes. All right. Welcome, sir.
Vice.
Good evening, Vice.
Evening, guys.
Have a seat.
Kita mo naman. Nag-iisip kami, Vice, kung paano ba natin i-introduce si Vice?
May naisip ako, Jo.
Ano?
Paano?
The best Vice Governor in the whole studio.
Hindi,
And
papatiin mo.
Cavite, the Philippines, and of course, the world.
Yan.
Okay.
Ang bilis bumawi.
Vice, magandang gabi sa'yo.
Magandang gabi,
Thanks for
Jojo.
coming tonight. Ha?
Yeah, and congratulations sa inyo. Very successful ang inyong show.
Oo nga.
May award pa, sir.
Oo nga.
May award pa, sir. Ha? May award. Ayun, kita niyo yung award.
May naka-display.
Sa mahilig din ako sa mga talk shows. I used to watch yung mga jail.
Ayan.
Yeah.
Dito, sir, kinopia yun.
Meron na sa Pilipinas na ganyan.
Ayun.
And to think, kayang-kaya mong talunin yung dalawang yun.
Ayun.
Sa totoo lang.
Kita mo naman, ha?
It's kind of a funny and sophisticated talk show.
Ayun.
Pitistic.
Coming from the Vice Governor, that's quite something, ha? So, pwede ko na
Bagay.
i-quote ka na namin yan, Vice, ha?
Yeah, oo.
Para let's talk about that, Vice. On that note, ha? Sino ang mas preferred mo? Kasi ilan yan? David Letterman, you have Jay Leno, you have...
Si Ellen. Ellen.
Hindi, iba yun eh.
Tomboy?
Oh,
Hindi, ba't ayaw mo ng tomboy?
Ellen DeGeneres.
Kaya lang, syempre, lahat sila nagiging controversial din, di ba?
Right.
Si David Letterman. So sana hindi naman ikaw maging controversial.
Controversial. Pero maganda naman yung pagkaka-controversial niya, if you remember, di ba? Tsaka lalaki. Di ba? Oh, yun ang maganda nun. You guys, despite the age. Oo nga eh. Which brings me to my next question, Vice. I know it's very impolite, pero ano na naman tayo? Are you in the 70s or the 80s?
Wrong question.
Next question, please.
Next question,
Are you
please.
fan of those born in the 70s and in the 80s?
Yes, of course.
Uy.
Mga type ko ngayon eh.
Nakausap intellectually.
Oo, kausap
Yan.
nila. Oo, mga intellectual ang tawag nito, masturbation. Hindi,
But that's true. That's how you say it.
Oh, that's what they call it eh.
But I was born 1950. Yeah.
Really?
Uy.
Wow. Oh, you're still fairly young.
I just got 60. Dual citizen na tayo eh.
Oh, talaga?
Yeah, last December 8. So,
So you both dual citizenship ka na.
No, dual.
Both a Pinoy citizen and a senior citizen. Pero wala sa itsura mo, Vice. What's your secret?
secret nga yun eh.
Mukhang ano to ah. Wait, I'm sure you have, you have kids already grown up already.
I have 5. Apat na lalaki at saka isang babae. My eldest son is the senior city councilor in Dasmariñas City.
Uy, galing ha?
Saka 5 lalaki.
Apat na
Apat na lalaki. Sorry, baka sorry.
Misis, apat lang po.
Apat lang po.
Isa lang ang babae ko.
Ayun.
Medyo may pagka-liberal yung treatment po sa pagpapalaki sa kanila.
Baka naman liberal party kayo.
Hindi.
Ano ba kayo? Oh, liberal nga.
Oh, liberal nga. Liberal.
Tama.
Liberal Party.
Oo, tama. Kay Pinoy.
Ang governor namin.
Oh, kita mo.
Enrique Remulla, although he's from the Nationalista Party.
Liberal nga. Oh, tinan mo ka.
Maganda kung it's interesting to know that Vice, naging vice mayor ka, tapos 3-term mayor, ganyan. Ngayon, dumadagundong ng pangalan mo as vice governor. And hindi ba medyo, ito medyo controversial lang pero I heard through the grapevine, maraming gustong ikaw to go for a higher position. Kahit malayo pa, ganyang kaagang mga usap-usapan.
Preparations eh.
Oo.
Well, actually, Rotarian din tayo, di ba? Sabi nga natin sa Rotary, you do not look for the position. The position actually seeks the man.
Galing na.
Galing. Politically correct eh, no?
Politically correct and politically safe.
Yes.
Oo,
Yes.
di ba? Let's go to something, ano dapat sa tingin mo ang gawin ni Vice ni Pinoy para magka-girlfriend na siya this 2011? Huwag mo muna sagutin yan. We'll just pause a reminder para at least, maski si Pinoy, naku, ito na, magsasalita na yun. More of the thoughts of our Vice Governor. When we get back, stay with us, friend. Medyo late tayo. Dapat sa'yo siya makikinig, di ba? Ay, advice from the Vice. Ha? Pwede, di ba?
Ihayag sa pamamagitan ng awitin ng kahalagahan ng pagmamahalan. Join Himig Caviteño, Choral Competition 2011. Para sa iba pang mga detalye, makipag-ugnayan kay Jesus Antazo sa numerong 0922-897-4112, a project of board member Ryan Enriquez para sa unang distrito ng Cavite.
Many thanks to Grand Monaco, tutulungan kang magkabahay. High Rise, Mongolian Rice Bowl. Niknok Manok, tumitilak na. Olive Mobile Phone, on your unit for as low as 900 plus. Ang cellphone ng bayan, love it! EMS Professional Light and Sound, Cinema Concept International, and Astig Kape. Mas masarap ang kaping mainit na pampainit. Back to you, Mr. All the Way!
And thank you very big, Badjo, to our very good friend, Vice Governor Recto Cantunduhan of Cavite. Vice, bago mo sagutin, ibibitinan natin si Presidente Pinoy muna doon sa iyong advice sa kanya para magka-girlfriend. Dahil ikaw ang perfect guy to advise.
Oh, yes.
Yung mga dating ni Vice. Let's talk about life at home. Kasi 5 kids. 5 kids. 4 boys, 1 girl. Di ba? So magulo. Especially kung mga binata na dalaga o how's it like? Marami bang
Well, actually, yung eldest ko naman, meron na siyang sariling bahay. So, he's not married yet. But then, ang kasama sa bahay are actually yung babae at saka yung tatlong lalaki who are still studying the other trade. So, yung babae naman ay
lawyer na?
Yes, he's a
Abogado.
lawyer and meron silang mga law offices. So, bihira rin kaming magkita-kita pag sa gabi. Although, napupuna ko lang, siyempre, mga bata, laging may mga masaya rin sa bahay.
Pabling yung mga boys mo, Vice? Pabling yung mga boys mo, Vice?
Well, natural lang naman may girlfriend. Mahirap naman.
Mahirap naman kung boyfriend ang dala, no?
Hindi, tsaka mahirap baka sabihin hindi pa magmamana yan. May langaw na naman, electronic ang mga langaw dito eh. Ayan o. E-fly ang tawag dyan, e-fly.
E-fly.
I-believe I can fly. Okay lang yan eh. Okay, now let's talk about the... So ito muna, before tapusin na natin, we talk about the kids, talk about the wife now. Is the wife the jealous type of your time?
Ay, hindi naman. My wife is, just the right type na talagang may pagmamalaki mo. Yeah.
Parang sinasabi
talagang
mo, the right type, yung hindi nagre-reklamo, rinig ko eh.
Politically correct
Supportive,
talaga
no?
eh, no?
Supportive.
Supportive naman, di ba?
Yeah.
Oo, kasi iba yung...
Masunurin yun eh. Sunod na sunod sa akin.
Masunod. Maganda yun, ha?
Oo.
Masunod.
Masunod.
Buti, ang importante, hindi ka nasusundan.
Ayun.
O hindi ka naabutan.
Safe sex. Safe sex.
Okay, let's now talk about the most important question of the day. Kasi si President Pinoy watches
Ay
this
na.
show.
Yan.
Ito, gusto ko ito.
Yan.
2011 na. Ano sa tingin mo dapat niyang gawin para magka-girlfriend na siya?
Being the father of 4 boys.
It's too late for the president to look for a girlfriend. I think it's about time for him to look for a wife.
No! Medyo malalim yun, ha?
Magkaroon naman tayo first lady, di ba?
Okay.
Oo.
Tama.
Ay, magsabihin, pagpasok niyo palang ganun, Vice eh. Hi, would you like to be my wife?
No.
Ganun
Would
ba?
you like to be the first lady?
The first lady. Mas enticing yun, no? Will be the first lady. Tsaka maganda yun, safe ka. If there's a first lady, you can go to the second lady. Hindi pwedeng only lady lang. Especially, Vice, I'm sure you're always in the huddle with him dahil nga you're both leader
Party
of
mate.
party.
Oh,
party
party
mate. Di pa na yung punta mong Malacanang sa palasyo.
Ay, di naman. Busy rin kami ngayon sa Cavite. By the way, maganda ngayon ang setup ng legislative body ng Cavite. Being the Vice Governor, siyempre, you're in charge of all the board members. We have 17 board members now kasi Cavite is one of the biggest province now in the country in terms of population. So we have 7 districts and we have 7 congressmen and we have 17 board members.
Laki.
And the newest member of the board ay si Jolo Revilla because he was just elected as the ABC president of Cavite. So
Party list.
tatlo na ang artista sa board ngayon. Si Bukal Ryan.
Gwapo yun, gwapo yun.
Artistahin.
Dalawa
Kayo
kasi
kayong dalawa.
mahusay kami mag-artista sa harap ng asawa namin.
Vice, maganda yung mga bagsakan.
Maganda.
Kailangan namin ng extra writer dito. Baka pwede ka.
Hindi, busy na si Vice eh. Sayang.
Anyway, we're so pressed for time. Vice Governor, if you will, we have a lot of viewership in Cavite.
Mga projects yun. Vice.
Yung iyong thoughts on 2011, please, I'll give you your time.
Well, maganda nga, gaya nga ng sinabi ko na napakaganda ngayon ng team ngayon ng aming board members. And I'm sure the governor will be pleased na madali niya mapapatupad yung kanyang mga programs for the coming years. Like yung gusto niya na magkaroon kami dito ng development on the first district of Cavite and magkaroon ng airport, malaking airport dito sa lawig ng Cavite, and then make Tagaytay as the Metro Tagaytay, from Tagaytay up to the 7th district of Cavite. Then yung patuloy na mga commercialization, industrialization in the middle part of Cavite. So malaking bagay ito at yung mga road network pag naayos na, pagka tumakbo na o nabuksan na natin itong coastal road, that would ease down the traffic in Cavite. And perhaps we could encourage more investors to come in. Now, ang tungkol sa tourism, gusto namin ma-enhance din ni Governor. Magkaroon kami ng talagang magandang programa sa tourism. That's why we would like to make Metro Tagaytay. Ma-promote namin ang gusto because you will notice na pagdadating ng from yung mga local tourists natin from Visayas and Mindanao, pagdadating na Manila, they go to the north, to the south, north, na bypass ang Cavite. And then they should go to Cavite. Napakaganda ng Cavite.
Oo, ba lalo pang nakita lang ating magiting at macho guwapitong Vice Governor. Thank you very much, Vice. Alright, well, ang bilis lang ng oras natin.
Lagi,
ang dami ko pang gustong tanungin sa iyo, Vice, tungkol sa Tagaytay, gaano kalamig, anong gagawin pag malamig. Yung mga maybe what we can do, Marico, is this time we will go to Cavite and then interview you there para iba naman.
Yeah, sure,
Habang on the go si Vice doon. Alright, Vice Governor Recto,
Yes.
Kantimbuhan on the Medyo Late Night Show. Alright, okay, that's all the show we have tonight. Many thanks for watching. Of course, I'd like to thank our good Vice Governor. Thank you very much also to Ira, the Alaskanator, and to Isko Salvador. Momentarily, I always leave you with this note. Always do everything, friends, for the greater glory of God and with the service of man. Always love and always laugh. This has been your show. And I'm Jojo A.
All the way!
Bye-bye.